Have you ever encountered a frustrating error while using the YouTube Android Player API? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a specific issue that many developers are facing with the new YouTube version. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your app crashes unexpectedly. This particular error, the BadParcelableException, has been causing headaches for many developers since the latest YouTube update. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user reported that their app crashes with a BadParcelableException when playing a YouTube video, then bringing the app to the background and force stopping the YouTube app. Sound familiar? Let's explore this issue together. So what exactly is happening here? The BadParcelableException indicates that the app is having trouble unmarshalling data when trying to resume. This is likely linked to changes in the new YouTube version, which can disrupt how your app handles video playback. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that could help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the BadParcelableException issue, the user should first check if they are using the latest version of the YouTube Android Player API. This is crucial as updates may contain fixes for known bugs. Next, the user should review their app's implementation of the YouTube player. They need to ensure that the player is properly initialized and released when the app goes to the background. The user should also consider implementing error handling in their app. This can help manage unexpected exceptions and prevent crashes when the YouTube app is force stopped. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may want to file a bug report with the YouTube Android Player API team. Providing detailed information about the crash will help them investigate the issue. Fun fact: did you know that the first Android app was released back in 2008? Just like technology, our troubleshooting skills have come a long way since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user addresses the issue of view state saving and restoring. They explain that the YouTube app has a bug that stores a view state containing an instance of a class called AC, which your app cannot restore. To fix this, they suggest preventing view state saving for the YouTube player view in the YouTube player support fragment. This code should be added to your subclass of YouTube player support fragment. It prevents the saving of states from the YouTube APK, allowing the YouTube player to be restored successfully without crashing your app. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying your onCreate method. They recommend checking if the saved instance state is not null and setting the class loader for the bundle before calling the super method. If this doesn't resolve the issue, the user suggests overriding on save instance state to return an empty bundle when your app is suspended during playback. This approach helps avoid complications with nested bundles. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. One user found a workaround for the BadParcelableException. They suggest catching the runtime exception in the onCreate method of your activity. This allows your app to handle the ClassNotFoundException gracefully. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. One user found a workaround for the BadParcelableException by using a try-catch block. They suggest wrapping the superOnCreate method in a try-catch to handle the exception gracefully. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your dependencies updated and monitor release notes for any breaking changes. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be better equipped to handle the BadParcelableException in your app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.